Hey guys, so here is a question on energy. So it says the image shows a battery powered drone and it asks us to complete the sentences using the answers in the box. So the first bit says as the drone accelerates upwards, its blank energy increases and its blank energy increases. So it's referring to two different types of energy that are increasing. So I'm going to take the words one by one, the key terms being firstly, it accelerates. Okay, so it's referring to acceleration, which is an increase in velocity. So it's a motion. Energy related to motion, that is only kinetic energy. And then the second bit, it's another energy that increases. We can look at the word upwards. So talking about motion upwards, there is an increase in height. So the only energy that involves an increase in height or position will be gravitational potential energy. So we'll go ahead and put that as this second blank here. And now the last sentence, the blank energy store of the battery decreases. Now here it talks about the battery. So we're talking about what energy store a battery has. And that energy store is chemical energy. And there you have it.